And now I continue. I want to have several copies of that window. First I select everything in this area. There's no command going on, so if I click here I will get selection box, and I click here, so I was able to select everything in this area. Then I activate a modification tool called array, and as you can see it creates already some objects, and here I can choose how far away those copies are in x coordinate direction. I put there 2000, and this is how far away in y coordinate direction. I put there 3000, and how many in direction of y, 3 is good, how many in direction of x, 5, and enter, and finally close. I can end here. So you can see array is a little bit different tool. It's mostly done from here, and now if I double click with scroll wheel I can zoom this whole thing to the screen, and finally I make a rectangle. First I make a little extra line to help to measure. I start here and I go straight to the right, and how far away I put 1200, enter. ESC cancels. I make another line starting from here and going up 1200, enter, and ESC. And now I make a rectangle, and I want to start so that I stop here, and then I find this right place here, and I end to coordinate 0, 0, but now I have to take this dynamic input off, otherwise it won't go to this coordinate. But now I type 0, 0, enter, and it goes to this point. If this dynamic input was turned on, software would think that I want to make a rectangle with size of 0 and 0, so it would make a really unexisting rectangle, or size is just 0. So I didn't want that, but this dynamic input was turned off, so I was able to give a real coordinate 0, 0 measured from the origin. So usually if this is on, software is trying to measure coordinates from the last point, like how much coordinates is changing from the last point. But if this is turned off, then the software is measuring coordinates from origin, and it's quite different situation. Okay, these were just helping me, so I select them and press delete. Finally I want to have some pattern, which I can do with this hatch, and then I can choose here pattern like this one, and then I click a point here and press enter, and here it is. My design is ready. I just save it here, save, and I choose where I want to save and which folder, and then I give it a name, and here I can choose which file version compatibility I want to choose, and then save. And now I have also saved the file.